5 points of winter.
One, seasonal cycle.
Winter is one of the 4 seasons in Earth's annual cycle, characterized by specific climatic conditions.
2, colder temperatures.
Winter is associated with lower temperatures, often resulting in frost and snow.
3, axial tilt.
The axial tilt of the Earth plays a crucial role in the changing seasons, including winter.
4, snowfall.
Winter is known for the occurrence of snow, with snowflakes forming when water vapor freezes in the atmosphere.
5, snowflakes are unique.
No two snowflakes are identical, showcasing the intricate and unique patterns they form.
6, winter solstice.
Marks the shortest day and longest night of the year, occurring around December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere.
7, shorter days.
Winter days have fewer daylight hours due to the Earth's position in its orbit.
8, longer nights.
Nights are longer during winter, contributing to the overall reduction in sunlight exposure.
9, winter landscapes.
The season transforms landscapes, covering them in a blanket of snow and creating a serene ambience.
10, winter wildlife adaptations.
Animals adapt to winter through hibernation, migration, or developing thicker fur.
11, winter activities.
From winter sports like skiing and snowboarding to building snowmen, activities define the season.
12, cultural celebrations.
Winter hosts cultural and religious celebrations, such as Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's Eve.
13, winter fashion.
People don layers, scarves, mittens, and warm coats as part of winter fashion.
14, cozy comforts.
Winter is synonymous with indoor coziness, featuring hot beverages, blankets, and fireside warmth.
15, winter sports. Ice skating, snowmobiling.
And hockey are popular winter sports and recreational activities.
16, winter solitude.
The tranquility of a snow-covered landscape offers moments of reflection and solitude.
17, agricultural impact.
Winter serves an agricultural purpose, allowing certain crops to lie dormant for the next growing season.
18, seasonal affective disorder.
Some people experience mood changes during winter due to reduced sunlight exposure.
19, winter astronomy.
Winter nights provide excellent opportunities for stargazing, featuring prominent constellations.
20, winter blues.
A term used to describe the occasional melancholy feelings associated with winter. 21, holiday season. Winter is synonymous with holidays like Christmas and Hanukkah, contributing to a festive atmosphere. 22, winter silence. These snow-covered landscapes often bring a serene hush to the environment. 23, frozen bodies of water. Lakes and rivers may freeze during winter, allowing for activities like ice skating. 24, winter storms. Intense snowstorms and blizzards can characterize winter weather in certain regions. 25, winter foods. Seasonal foods like soups, stews, and hot beverages become popular during colder months. 26, winter driving challenges. Snow and ice on roads can create hazardous driving conditions during winter. 27, winter astronomy events. Meteor showers, eclipses, and other astronomical events are notable during winter. 28, winter birds. Some bird species migrate to warmer climates during winter, while others stay and adapt. 29, Frosty mornings. Winter mornings often feature frost on surfaces, creating a picturesque scene. 30. Winter Olympics. Winter Olympics showcase various cold weather sports on a global stage. 31. Winter vacation destinations. Some people embrace winter by visiting snowy destinations for skiing or winter getaways. 32. Winter gardening. Certain plants and vegetables thrive in winter climates, offering unique gardening opportunities. 33. Winter carnivals. Festivals and carnivals celebrating winter occur in various places, featuring ice sculptures and festivities. 34. Winter resilience. Nature's ability to endure and adapt during winter showcases resilience in the face of challenging conditions. 35. Season transition. Winter marks the transition between the vibrant colors of fall and the renewal of spring.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.